What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna be going out to a car meet, an S2000 car meet. I haven't gone to one ever since I bought my car actually. Not many people host it down here in South Florida, but we're gonna go today. I'm getting ready to clean the car. Just got that brand new bumper on, so I'm really hyped to show it off. We're gonna meet up my buddy Law, we're gonna meet up my buddy Alex, Travis, and Richard, and just link up with all the S2000 owners from where I live in South in Florida, and then we're gonna roll out to the actual barbecue. It's gonna be fun. I'm excited to meet some people there that I've been talking to on social media and Instagram and stuff, so it's gonna be fun. So let's check out the car real quick. Here it is, Muse bumper on, looking good. Clean the wheels up, pretty nice. I usually never have the wheels clean because the stop text, the brake pads are really nasty. Rear end, interior pretty clean for the most part, so quite excited to drive the car. Link up with all my other buddies, so I'll definitely be vlogging today with my little camera out, so anyone watching this video, hopefully you see yourself in it. Alright guys, we are at Markham Park down here in South Florida in Weston. Really nice out today. I didn't really record myself meeting up with my buddies, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the cars. We're still waiting for a couple more people. Don't even know where the barbecue is. We're all kind of lost. I have COVID testing going on here, and we just got lost, so check out some of these cars, guys. It's my buddy Travis's car, ASM, everything in Moonrock.
I got all my stuff. I figured we were gonna do a tech day. I was gonna hire all you guys. We're gonna go put my.
It's Alex's car, Jay's Racing. You guys seen you seen that vlog where he had the body kit when we dropped it off at the body shop. So it's finally painted and all together.
That would be fun.
And chalk gray from Porsche, looking really good. It's whatever.
It's a Nardo gray.
No. This is my friend Lawrence's car. Also Jay's Racing, full Emola paint job, looking real nice. Really underrated, but growing up watching S2000 people and the videos and the togays, this was kind of one of my idol cars, idol builds. What are you doing, man? What are you doing?
Trying to adjust my mirrors.
Oh my god, you get out and...
This is how S2000s are. Like, they're really comfortable.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a nap.
Freaking dude. You got Titan 7 wheels, which are really nice. Not a lot of people know about them, but they're forged. Super Street and all that stuff is trying to push them, but proven to work. Loving it. And of course, my S2000.
That's when the party starts?
Yeah, that's when the party starts.
Haven't really shown you guys. Quick walk around. Had to drop the top. I think it really sets the car up. Looks real clean. Like I said, body line is like really good on the fitment. Got a little aggressiveness to it. Just overall really happy with it. Anyway, you'll see more of that later. Gonna go ahead and wipe it down, make it presentable. Still waiting for, who's coming, Sheldon?
Sheldon and Richard.
Sheldon and Richard, they're coming here now. So I'll get the camera out when they arrive.
who's getting what. Yo, Sheldon!
Uber Eats, dog.
Wow. There you go. What a great idea.
We got chicken sandwiches, all that good stuff.
Alright guys, so the video cut short because we actually got kicked out of that meet and we ended up going across the street and just hanging out in the parking lot for a little while before we got something to eat. A lot of fun. Hopefully we can do more meets and I can actually record more footage. It was really nice to see all the other S2000s out there. Hopefully I got some footage, but unfortunately we're probably there for no more than like 35 minutes. And I guess because of COVID restrictions, they actually kicked everybody out. And it was a mess. No one knew where we were going. Some people knew where to go. They went to like a Fort Lauderdale airport parking lot with Honda Pro Jason because he showed up right when we were leaving. So my group of friends, we were lost, so we just went across the street and hung out. Yeah, that's pretty much the end of that video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed a little bit of this and seen how the S2000 community is in South Florida. It's not too bad. I know there's a lot more meets coming up next year. It is 2021 since, well, today I'm recording and actually editing this video, but that happened a couple weeks ago. Anyway, on the next video, hopefully I can, record more and show you guys more content. But until then, hopefully you guys have a good new year, and I'll see you then.